In 1943, a U.S. Navy ship was allegedly made invisible, not just to radar, but to the human eye. They say a strange green fog surrounded the USS Eldridge, and then it vanished. Some claim it teleported hundreds of kilometers away and then reappeared.
The story even says crew members were injured or fused into the ship itself.
But here's the twist. This story didn't appear in 1943. It surfaced years later in strange letters. A man named Carl Allen claimed he witnessed everything, but there were no official records. Naval records placed the ship elsewhere during the supposed experiment. During World War II, ships used degaussing systems to reduce magnetic mines. That's real technology. They also used radar jamming and electronic countermeasures. Advanced for the time, but not invisibility. To bend light around a 1,200-ton steel ship would require enormous energy, far beyond 1940's capability. So what's more likely? A classified teleportation program, or a misunderstanding of naval equipment? There is no verified evidence that the Philadelphia experiment ever happened. But in the Cold War era, stories about secret experiments spread quickly. The Philadelphia experiment remains a legend, powerful, mysterious, but unsupported by evidence. Was it science fiction or just science misunderstood? You decide.